Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to reduce Netflix data usage consumption on your computer and on your mobile phone as well. So the first thing that we can do is we can go here, and again it's the same on your mobile phone as well. You can go to account, and here you just need to scroll down to your account that you want to change, data usage consumption. You can go here and then playback settings. Go here, click change. And here, as you can see, you can change the data usage per screen. Now, auto is default video and audio quality and data usage, and you have low, medium, and high. And by this, you can see, how much gigabytes per hour you're spending on your computer or on your internet or on your mobile phone as well. You can see that low is up to 0.3 gigabytes, right? Or 300 megabytes. Medium is 700 megabytes, and high is 3 gigabytes or 7 gigabytes per hour for Ultra HD. Now, after you select, you can click save, and that will save your playback settings, and that will reduce your Netflix data usage consumption. If you want to change this on your mobile, and if you want to adjust mobile data usage settings, which is different, right? You can go here to open Netflix app and tap more, or you can just go to your profile and you can select application settings, and under video playback you can select mobile data usage, right? And again, you can just download settings. You can turn your Wi-Fi only on or off under downloads, and then you can select the desired settings. So this is how you can adjust mobile data usage. Again, it's a little bit different, right? For example, this is what your Netflix is spending on your computer, and this is how much your Netflix is going to spend the data from your mobile data or in mobile data usage, right? So this is how to reduce Netflix data usage consumption in 2022. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll make sure to answer all of them. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps.